Take me where the sun is shining, watch the mist roll down the mountain, a place where we can go. This time of year the leaves will change, holds a beauty I can't explain, a place where we can go. We can dip our toes into the stream, watch the light dance perfectly. It can feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality. The way your hair falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weak, a love I've never known. The glimmer in your ocean eyes, the way they catch the morning light, the love I've never known. I wish I had 100 songs to write and sing of who you are. It can feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality. I close my eyes and I can see a life together, you and me, love that we can know. I promise even when it's hard, I'll be right there where you are, the love that we can know, the love that we can know.
Some are leaping free from their moving cars, stacking stones round their broken hearts, waving down any wind that might come blowing. Ice move out when the field is cut, serpents curl when the sun comes up, songbirds only end up where they're going. Some get rain and some get snow, some want love and some want gold. I just wanna see you in the morning. Dogs lay down in the evening heat, fish do worse when they leave the sea. Songbirds only end up where they're going. And this autumn town where the lights can change, some get mercy and some the flame dies fast. We hold our hats while the day